Good morning, everybody. I'm here to share with you guys what I get in my inserts. I usually order my coupons because these inserts are so bad. Sorry, my kid is right next to me. But if you guys want to know where I get my coupons, I made a video while I was on vacation showing you guys where I got my inserts. But here, sorry, you're going to see a diaper butt.
We got a Lego bag.
Yeah, we got a Lego bag. See, Lego bag. Okay, Ben, can I finish my video? Okay, so here I'm going to show you guys. Sorry, you saw a butt crack. I'm going to show you guys what's in my Retail Me Not. It's kind of sad, but I don't know. I'm just going to show you all the Dove stuff. Ben, please. They don't want to see Lightning McQueen. Dove deodorant. Hair care products, $2 off at Dermacare. Usually when I see that, I'm hoping there's a deal on Ibotta. Here we got $1 off of 2 body wash, $1 off men's products. And then right in the middle of all Ben, stop. Right in the middle of all this stuff, we got ice cream. $1.50 off ice cream.
Yeah, I love ice cream.
You love ice cream. And then $1 off the shampoo and conditioner. And then we have here $1 off the Caress. And here we have,
like an egg.
Yeah, that's like an egg. And then we have $1 off of Axe. So that was all was in my Unilever. Now here's my regular Retail Me Not. We got eggs or whatever. Wet n Wild makeup. We got $1 off, $1 off, 50 cents, and $2 off. So maybe there's some decent deals. I don't know what's going on there. Look at those shoes. Oh my goodness. And they got easy on and off magic cling. Wow.
Look at that.
Those are hot. More checks.
Yeah.
Yeah. Look at how much of a waste that was. That's just ridiculous. Okay. And then here is my Smart Source. Now please keep in mind everybody gets different coupons. But we got a ton of Revlon coupons. Look at all the Revlon coupons.
That's
for your eye, yeah. More Revlon coupons.
That's my eye. I love eyes.
You love your eyes?
The eye is from Igloo.
Eyes for Igloo, yes it is. Yeah. Nail polish, Q-Tex. Here we got $2 off of lip gloss. Then stop. $2 off of eyeshadow and looks like mascara or eye stuff. Oh me. Ben, don't do that, honey. $5 off a Curve, $2 off a Curve. Here we got $4. Here we got 50 cents, 50 cents, 50 cents off of Scott's. 50 cents and $1. I'm hoping to do those deals for the wet wipes. $1 off. More Dollar General ads. I mean, I already get one in my inserts and I got another one. Blue dog food. I haven't seen one of those. This is a great coupon. $5 off Aleve. Making them, I think, super cheap at Walgreens. Buy one, get one free of the lady and men's speed stick. Ben, stop.
I will get.
Ben, they don't want to see Lightning McQueen's.
I see gummy.
Yeah, they don't want to see Lightning McQueen's butt. Here we got $4 off of one a days. Ben, stop. Yeah, $4 off of Flintstones, Trubiotics, Citrusel.
Oh, that's my favorite.
Aleve.
Hey, look at that. I see fish. That's where fish. I live in the ocean.
20%.
Look at the names.
Cold Stone.
Hey, look at that.
And that is it. So that was all in my inserts. I just wanted to share with you guys. And I'll see you guys all later for my haul. Goodbye.